Hello guys, welcome back to MySQL series. Guys, in MySQL series, we have already completed so many videos. In previous video, we have learned how to select the data from the table, but using simple query. Now, in this video, we will be seeing some of the advanced query which you can use for retrieving your data. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm just showing the database which have created. I have already created database college_db. So you can see under show database, it's showing me my database name. So I'm just changing my database by using use college_db command. Currently I'm working on student tables and then select star from student. These are the data which I'm having in my student table. So total I'm having 6 records in my student table and 4 columns I'm having. In advanced select query, we will be learning how to fetch the data by putting different condition. We will be learning how to arrange your data in ascending or descending order. We will be learning some pattern matching operator, and then we will be learning group by operator. So these are certain advanced operator which we'll be learning. Also we will be seeing in and between operator. Okay, so just I have written select star from student where city equal to Mumbai. So this where clause is used whenever you want to specify the condition. So right now here I have specified condition where city equal to Mumbai. So it is going to show me only the data where my city is Mumbai. Okay, so single condition I have written after where, but if you want you can write multiple condition also by using logical operator such as and or. So now you see here I have given select star from student where city equal to Mumbai and age equal to 20. So you can see I'm getting the student detail whose city is Mumbai and age is 20 because I have used and operator. So if it satisfies both condition, then only it will give you output. Another thing, not only equal to operator, you can use other operator also, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and so on. There are so many operators available. You can use any of the operator. So now next I'm trying or logical operator. So where city is Mumbai or city is Pune. So it will show me all the data where my city is either Pune or Mumbai, any of them, then it will show me, right? So this where clause you can use for writing multiple condition. You can have more condition, combination of and or and so on, right? Now next I have just written command that select star from students order by age. So this order by command is going to sort your data. By default it sorts your data in ascending order. So here I have written order by age. So it is going to sort my data by age column, and that too in ascending order. I will be showing you this command more in detail. Now here I am writing another command that select student name age from students order by age. So instead of star I'm trying to display student name and corresponding age of that student. So it is showing me that, right? And it is sorting in ascending order because by default order by sorts data in ascending order. Now suppose you have null data, you want to fetch all the null values. So we have a command is null. So we can use is null. So here I'm writing select star from student where age is null. So it will show me only the data where my age having null value. Okay, so is null is a operator or keyword you can say, which you can use for checking null value. You cannot write equal to for null. Next what I will do, I will add few more rows to my table because I want some different cities also to show you in operator. So here quickly I'm inserting 2 rows, 107 and 108 with city Delhi and another as city is Nagpur. Now I'm having total 8 records. Select star from student. So you can see now I'm having 8 records. So I will use now in operator. So here I'm writing select star from students where city in bracket Mumbai comma Delhi. So if a city is Mumbai or Delhi, then it will show me that record. So that is in operator. You can use it for like if any of them is matching, show the detail. Fine. Now then we have like operator. If you want to perform pattern matching, like if you want to search if any name starts with particular character, ends with particular character, or contains a particular character or word, display that record. So for that you can use like query. Okay, like is also called as pattern matching operator. So here suppose I want to show all the name whose names are starting with letter S. So I'm going to write select star from students where student name like, and here in single quote or double quote, whatever you want, you can put S and person. So this lines means that display all the students whose name starts with letter S. So person means what? Zero or more character. So S and then person. So that means the first letter should be S and after that zero or more character. Then I'm trying to check if any name starting with letter M. So you can see with S, it's showing me Sunita Rai, Sam and Sneha, and I have given M. So M person. So for that it is showing me Manthan and Mayank. Only I'm writing person Rai. So give me all the details of student who's uh, ending with Rai. Person. So any character before Rai. So you can see it has given me Sunita Rai and Riya Rai. Now I'm writing select star from student where student name like person an and person. So an I have given and before that I have given person. That means before an there can be any character, zero or more character, and after an there could be any character. So that means if any string contains an, then it is going to display me substring. This is called as substring. So you can see Manthan and Mayank, they both have an, right? So an is there, it is showing me that detail. Similarly I'm just writing other person ya and person ya. So you can see Riya and Mayank, they both have person ya. So percent is a operator, matching operator, zero or more character. If matches, it gives you the data. Then we have one more operator, which is underscore operator. So you can use underscore operator for exact single character, for matching exact single character. So suppose I'm writing this query underscore a and then person. So what does this means? This means any student name which is having any first character, after that a, and after that any number of character it is having. So first character could be anything, after that a should appear, and after that I can have zero or more character. So you can see the result which it is showing. Okay, now suppose I want to show any name which is having only 3 character or 4 character. So in single quote or double quote I can write name like, student name like, and this single quote or double quote I can pass 3 times. So you can see it's showing me this name. So you can see it's showing me Sam, because underscore 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 3 times, that means 3 character it will show. 4 I am passing, so it is going to show me a name who are having exactly 4 character. Okay, so here you can see in my result it has shown me Amit, which is having 4 character. Now suppose I'm writing S person A. So that means any name which are starting with letter S and ending with letter A, in between that any character is okay for me. So it has shown me this result, right? So this way you can use this pattern matching operator for query, whatever query you want to execute. Now you can work on any column, not only student name. So here I'm writing select star from students where city like M person. So any city starting with M and any character. Similarly city like, that means ending with E. So it has shown me Pune ending with E. Now another operator which I'm having as between operator. So if you want to have anything in between particular data, you can use between operator. So I'm writing select star from student where age between 20 and 22. So it will show me all the age between 20 and 22, right? So these are the operators which you can commonly use in select query. Another operator I'm going to show you as order by. So order by is useful for arranging your data in ascending or descending order. So I'm writing select star from student, order by age, ASC. If you omit ASC, by default it arrange your data in ascending order. ASC is for ascending. So you can see now my age has been organized, or it has been sorted in ascending order. And again I'm writing select star from student, where select star from student, order by age, descending, DESC for descending you have to write. So it is showing me all the data, age data in descending order. And now not only on numeric data you can use this operator, you can use this operator on character or string data. So I'm writing student name, select star from student name, and again I'm writing ascending. So it is showing me name in ascending alphabetical order A to Z, and then descending, so it will show me Z to 8. Okay, similarly I can have city also. So I'm writing city desk, so it will show me all the city name in the descending order. Not only sorting can be done with one column, we can have two columns sorting also. So here select star from student, order by city comma age, so it will sort based on city and based on age. Okay, ascending order. And then we can have descending order. So city comma age, descending order. So you can see it has sorted the data in the descending order. So it will do what? It will do grouping, and then in that it will do sorting in descending order, right? Now the next thing, I'm just here trying to show you aggregate operator. So aggregate operator is like, if you want to perform sum or count or average or maximum or minimum, then you can use this aggregate operator. So here I'm writing in a simple way, like select count star from student, where something. So you see I'm getting error, because for count where doesn't work, we have to use group by. So now here I'm writing select city comma count star. So what is the star? Count the value. Okay, so from students, group by city. So it is going to group the city, and it is going to count how many cities are there after grouping. So you can see here it has grouped the data. Mumbai, we have Pune, we have Delhi, and we have Nagpur, and here it is showing me the count of that. So grouping is done and counting is done, since I have written group by city. Now I can write aliases also. Here you can see it's showing count star. So if you want to change column name, you can change the column name by writing aliases. So total count I'm printing. So count is aggregate operator, it counts how many data you have. If you put star, then it is going to count all the data along with null value also. Now next function we have as average. So here I'm writing select city comma average bracket age. So whose average you want to find out, that you need to pass. So age, and then I'm writing aliases as average age and group by city. So it is going to group the city. So Mumbai will be kept together, Pune will be kept together, then Nagpur, and then Delhi will be other city, and then it will find average. So it will find average for Mumbai, average for Pune, average for Delhi, and average for Nagpur. Okay, so other command I'm having as max function. So you can write any max and any column name, so it will give you max value in that particular column. So statistical operation if you want to perform, you can use this. Similarly we have mean function also, so you can write select mean of age, group by, okay, group by name or group by city you can have. So this way you can use aggregate functions also. So after average, the next aggregate function is min aggregate function, which is going to give you minimum value. So for example, you have salary column, you want to find out minimum salary, maximum salary, you can use this minimum function. So here I'm writing select city comma mean and age. I want to find out minimum age. So from students, group by city, so it is going to group by city. So in Mumbai the minimum age is 20, in Pune the minimum age is 21, Delhi 24, and Nagpur 19. Similarly, we have max function, so it is going to show me maximum age for that particular city. Now if you want to group by more than one column, then also you can do. So select student name comma city comma sum of age and aliases. I'm giving total age from student, group by student name comma city. So you can see it has done grouping by name and by city, and then it is finding the a sum. Okay, so next, again I'm writing a count. So here you can see student name, city, count, age from student, group by student name and city. So here I'm getting the result. So there is one age for Sunita Rai, Ria, there is one age. So if the name has been repeated, then the count might have been changed, right? So I just wanted to show you that you can have more than one column. Based on your data, you can apply this aggregate functions and group by. So now next command I'm typing select city comma age comma count star, and total is my column name alias from student, group by city and age. So you can see here it has shown me for Mumbai 2 counts, it has shown me Pune 1. So for Mumbai 20 age was twice, so it has shown me Mumbai 20 and 2. Okay, and in group by you can use order by also. So after grouping, if you want to do sorting, then you can use order by. So group by comes first, then order by. So here is my command select city comma age and then group by and order by. So this way you can group the data and sort the data. This was all about advanced SQL query. So you can use this if you want to find some pattern matching or some aggregate function. Aggregate means what? Only single output. So sum, max, mean, average, count, all these are aggregate functions. So I hope guys by following my video you are able to understand how advanced query works. If any doubt, you can put in comment box, I will surely reply to your doubt. And guys, if you have any query, you can put in comment box, I will surely reply to your queries. If you really like my video, do hit on like button, share with your friends as much as possible. In MySQL series I'm creating lots of videos starting from scratch, installation up to the advanced topic. So if you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.